Yeah, hey everyone, this is Dwayne again with Good Works Auto and Dwayne's Diagnostics. And I'm doing a video today on this is actually my landlord's truck, a 2014 F250 6.2 liter. I'm doing a video today on replacing some taillights. So I don't know, this one might not be very exciting, but you know, who knows, things don't always work out as planned, so who knows how this one will turn out. But a little bit of the backstory on why I'm replacing these lights, or how I got to do this job, is he was actually backing up his trailer one day, and his trailer is actually like way over there. But I noticed his brake lights weren't working on his truck or his trailer, just on the left side for some reason. And I can't remember, I think he had turn signals maybe on this light here, or maybe on the light up there. I can't remember. But one or two of the lights were working, but most of them weren't working, and for some reason only on the left side of the truck and the left side of the trailer. So I ended up looking at it and checking out the wiring and the fuses, and swapped relays around, and ended up getting up here and pulling out the connector on this left side and this right side one, and checking the powers and grounds on there, and we had powers and grounds, so it actually ended up just being bad bulbs. So I replaced this, or not this one, I replaced the one on the rear of the truck, and then he just got around to getting some new lights. This one actually like popped out. He said he hit something like in a parking garage with his headache rack, and this light actually popped out. It wasn't in there very good because the weather seal was all ripped and deformed and stuff. So he's got these new lights here. I don't know where he got them at, but thought it was kind of cool. They actually have them hooked up to a little 9-volt battery in here. So you can actually test the lights. There's a little button on here. You can actually test the lights, see what they look like before you buy them. Those don't look like they're showing up very good on the camera, but thought that was kind of cool that you can actually test them before buying them. But I'm not sure if these are going to just plug up to the connector that's on the truck. I'm not sure if this connector on here is going to be the exact same as the connector on the truck, or if I might have to end up splicing or soldering or butt connecting these wires on here. But I'm hoping that this will be the same connector as on the truck. But I don't know, I'm kind of doubtful I'm gonna get that lucky, but I might. So I'm gonna open this package up and check these connectors and see if they match up with the truck. So it's looking like a miracle might have happened, and might actually have gotten lucky on this, because I don't know if you can see this other connector here on the truck, that one, but it looks like it will match up with these new lights. Once I flip this one over, it looks like it should match up with that connector. So might have got lucky on this one. Yeah, this this connector actually did match up with the new lights, so that's cool. I don't got to solder or splice or butt connect or anything. Yeah, so of course something had to not go right on this job. Eh, couldn't have been that easy. But what's going on is these new lights with the new weather seal seem to be a bit smaller than the originals, because this thing just moves around there, doesn't fit in there nice and snug, just pop right out. They're a different size than the originals. Show you this one over here. This is the original, and I mean it's not a perfect fit, but it stays in there. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to fix that. I'll have to figure something out. Yeah, you can see on this this original one, it's got a lip all the way around it to kind of help hold it in place better. This new one doesn't have that lip, just has that little raised part right there. So yeah, I just used the old one on this one. I don't know if we have the other old one. I think my landlord said he might have thrown it away. Well, the lights are working. I'm still gonna have to figure out a way to rig this one up to make it fit in there tighter. But yep, that's probably it on this one. Unless I might go show you the what I come up with on the trailer lights. But this might be it on this one. Yeah, so my camera is not working right now, it seems like.